city, a new life. I'm about to start a new chapter in my career. My mind's a whirlwind of emotions and thoughts. But mom knew what could comfort me. Her favorite possession, her beautiful pashmina shawl. Wow. This is so soft, it feels like she's right here with me. I wonder how something so delicate, sustainable, and long-lasting is created.
शुक्र तस माल की रहमानस अस कोर सठा आरामियत अल्लाह ताला पोषन अस कार खुदा वंद करीम कर यथ कारस बरकत बे तमिस अमीर कबीरस यम योर कार ओन यम कशिर कश्मीरिक लूक पे यमिस सत
ये हम फक्र करते हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि ये हमें इबादत है, ये खाली काम नहीं है, क्योंकि ये बुजुर्गों ने लाया ना ये काम, हम अपने रब का शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
मैं भी शुक्र अल्लाह का करता हूँ, मैं इस पे अपना रोजी ठीक से चलाता हूँ।
The whole process of making pashmina shawl is very spiritual. All my artisans are doing the embroidery, but at the background there's a Sufi music going on. Each and every thread that they embroider in the shawl, they do it with prayers, with blessings.
मैं तिल्ला का काम करता हूँ तकरीबन 70-80 सालों से। जो भी लोग हमारे थे, दादा था, बाप था, बड़े भाई थे, बहन, उन्होंने भी यही भी काम किया और मैंने उनसे ही ये काम सीखा।
मैं यहाँ शाल का काम करता हूँ, पश्चिमकार के साथ में रिलेटिव हूँ। मुझे 20 साल हो गए इस काम करते करते। ये तकरीबन हो गए इसमें 2.5 साल, अभी इसको तकरीबन 1.25 साल और लगेगी।
ये तो ऐसा काम बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंस का काम होता है।
इन सोनू के हाथों से बनाते हैं ये शाल।
एक शॉल, एक पीस में कभी साल भी लग जाता है, कभी 2-4 साल भी लग जाते हैं, और जो हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी होती है वो सालों तक जाती है।
हर धागे को दुआओं से बुनते हैं, हर रंग को मोहब्बत से भरते हैं। कभी खुशी कभी उदासी में हर रोज़ महीनों सालों में एक एक शॉल बनाते हैं। है वलियों की देन हमारा हुनर और आपकी हौसला अफजाई भी। हम जो सदियों से आपके लिए लाजवाब चीज़ें बनाते हैं। इसको अफसाना ना समझ, ये हकीकत है तारिक, हर शॉल को अपने जज्बातों से बनाते हैं। To make a pashmina shawl, it takes 12 to 14 hands to people who get livelihood to make a complete pashmina shawl. I want to take Pashmina to that level where we, Pashimkar, will have an institute where we will give the certificates to the artisans for weaving, for embroidery.
हमने इन आर्टिजन्स को जिंदा रखना है। ये आर्टिजन अपने हुनर को छोड़ के और किसी कार्य में ना जाए। द रियल हीरो फॉर पश्मीना जो है वो उसका आर्टिजन है। आई थिंक पहली बार जम्मू कश्मीर में इन लोगों को फैसिलिटेट किया गया है, पहचान दी गई है कि ये आपके काम की वजह से, आपके हुनर की वजह से ये पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर है। We are carrying this legacy, 600 साल, 700 साल पुरानी legacy.
It was brought to Kashmir by Shah Hamdan, rahmatullah, and Pashmina started in around 600 years ago, and it became very famous also when Mughals, they really loved the shawls. Up till 19th century, it was must for every European bride to have Kashmir Pashmina shawl. Josephine got a gift from her husband Napoleon, and she loved the shawl so much. She got so excited, she ordered so many pieces of the shawls, and she gifted all her friends and all those elite people that she had around.
बहुत ही रिच ओल्ड कल्चर के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है पश्मीना।
मैं यहाँ श्रीनगर से आता हूँ इनको सिखाने के लिए।
कुछ लड़कियाँ जल्दी सीख जाती हैं, कुछ लड़कियों को टाइम लगता है।
उन्होंने काम सीखना शुरू कर दिया। इनने 4-5 महीने में बहुत डेवलप किया।
तो 12 महीने में तो ट्रेन हो जाता है बंदा।
हम लोग के यहाँ लड़कियों के हाथ में कोई ना कोई ये स्किल होना चाहिए।
एक्चुअली मेरी फ्रेंड यहाँ आती थी, उन्होंने मुझे बोला ये करो, इसमें इतना इनकम है और अच्छा भी है।
मुझे पता है और भी काम है, मगर हम लोग को यही बेहतर लगा अपने लिए।
जितने भी बंदे हमारे पे यहाँ पे ट्रेन होते हैं तो ये फिर पश्मकार कंपनी के साथ काम करते हैं।
Kani Pashmina shawl is very, very famous in the world. Whether you go to Asia, anywhere, China, Singapore, Hong Kong, or you go to Europe, everybody loves Kani shawl. So that is very, very famous. Besides that, each and every design of like Sozni embroidery, we call it Sozni, what we do with the needle, that is all-time favorite for everybody. when you start buying a pashmina shawl, when you get the feel of real pashmina shawl, then you understand. See, if there is a real one and the fake one, then you can easily understand. If there is only fake one, there is no way to understand. Today's times, Honorable Governor Sahab, Shri Manoj Kumar Sinha ji, and Director of Handicrafts have, worked really hard, and now we have GI tagging of pashmina shawls.
जियो टैगिंग से एंड पश्मीना की क्वालिटी चेक करके जियो टैग कि किस आर्टिजन ने बनाया है, कितना प्योरिटी है पश्मीना का, वो सारा कुछ किया गया है.
At present, the pashmina trade is at 50 million US dollars, and by 2026 we are aiming to take it to 75 million US dollars. And when you're looking at the manpower, the human capital development which is existing, it's 1.2 million, whether it's the farmers, the producers and the exporters put together. But we have to take it up to match the numbers. We need to take it up to 2 million strength.
We have huge market, but unfortunately we have not tapped its potential yet. What we do export right now, it's a very glimpse of it.
And when we are looking at India, we actually see other countries actually having an increase in the trade. Like Nepal in pre-COVID had an increase in the pashmina trade by 18%, and our growth in India was merely 10%. A lot of innovation is required in the entire ecosystem, and this innovation is not only in terms of skilling, but also in terms of the trends. What are the fashion trends? The government policy towards both towards the farmers, the incentives given to the industry, both at the production level, at the exporter level, is required. That's a very, very major aspect.
The only thing is what we are lacking right now is some technicalities that are at the export level.
India has a leadership position and needs to retain that. Madonna, you have celebrities like Demi Moore, Julia Roberts, who have been wearing pashmina. So that is where we need to be looking at creating brand ambassadors, for our pashmina, which I think we have not done that. There is so much more on a global scale.
And at this present times, when Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is wearing shawls all through the winters, he's gifting shawls to all the dignitaries whenever he travels around the world. Recently in G20 summit also, Government of India presented pashmina shawls to all the dignitaries.
ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी प्रमोट बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं. तो जब से उन्होंने पहनना शुरू किया है, पश्मीना एक अलग लेवल पे प्रमोट हुआ है. बीच में उन्होंने कानी शॉल पहनना शुरू किया था, एंड मैं आपको बताऊं, यहाँ पे कानी शॉल्स एकदम शॉर्ट हो गए थे.
New generations, they would like the finest quality of product, but they would want difference. For example, my consumer is sitting in America also, my consumer, my buyer is sitting at, Hong Kong also, my buyer is sitting in Milan also.
The usages of pashmina has been as quilts and carpets and as wearable as in fashion. But lately what we see is that pashmina is largely used as a fashion accessory, and like as shawls, as wraps.
We look into the fashion colors of the season, particular season like spring, summer, winter. Then we do designing according. Now we are trying to get pashmina jackets, we're getting the pashmina firans, we're getting pashmina saris also. I'm doing a lot more. We're doing men's blazers with that, with waistcoats, sherwanis. So people want to have the best of the everything. There's no second piece, you know, there's no second piece of the same color, same design, same combination. You will not find it anywhere in Pashmina.
It is purely luxurious.
We want to give that exclusivity to our clients that, okay, if you're buying one Pashmina shawl and you're spending so much money, you are getting that exclusivity that you are the only one who will have this kind of a shawl, this kind of design.
Everybody cannot have it, and I can say that proudly. You have to actually wish for a Pashmina thing to have in your cupboard.
My father's clients who have bought the shawls like 40 years ago, they wore it, then they gave it to their daughters, you know.
It is actually considered an investment by families, by people. The craftsmanship, the embroidery, which enhances the Pashmina, adds on to its beauty and makes it a family heirloom.
I have always admired it, as it's not just a piece of fabric, it's a symbol of my mother's love. A legacy of craftsmanship and a testament to the enduring beauty of tradition.